In this video, we are going to discuss problem about variance, standard deviation, and standard score. So let's take the data set 92, 95, 85, 80, 75, and 50. So initially we have to calculate the mean. So the mean is 92 plus 95 plus 85 plus 80 plus 75 plus 50 divided by, there are 6 samples, 6. So it is 477 by 6 and it is 79.5. So now let's take xi minus x bar. So xi is 92. So 92 minus 79.5 and 95 minus 79.5. It is 85 minus 79.5 and 80 minus 79.5 and 75 minus 79.5 and 50 minus 79.5. So the values are 12.5, 15.5 and 85 minus 79.5 is 5.5, 0.5 and minus 4.5 and here it is minus 29.5. Then we have to calculate xi minus x bar the whole square. So when you calculate xi minus x bar the whole square, it is 156.25. Here it is 240.25, 30.25 and it is 0.25. It's 20.25 and it is 870.25. So when you sum up this, it is 1317.50. So now let's calculate the variance. The formula for variance is xi minus x bar the whole square summation divided by n minus 1. So it's understood from the previous slide that xi minus x bar the whole square is 1317.50. So it is nothing but 1317.50 divided by 5 and the value is 263.50 and the standard deviation is nothing but root of variance. So when you calculate the root of 263.50, you get 16.2. So this is the standard deviation for the given data samples. So let us see some questions. The question is, find the variance and standard deviation. The sample is A, 18, 22, 19, 25, 12. So I'll also give the answer for referring. Mean is 19.2 and variance is 23.7 and standard deviation is 4.9. So once you have completed, you can check out the answer. And B is 106, 121, 152, 234, 347. So here the variance is 9956.5 and the standard deviation is 99.8. Then C is 112, 100, 127, 120, 134, 118, 105, 110. So here the variance is 127.16.6 and the standard deviation is 11.3. So the next topic that we will discuss is about how to calculate the standard error. So the formula to calculate the standard error is sigma divided by root n. So we'll see quite few problems. So the standard deviation is given as $3 and the sample size is given as 30. So calculate mean standard error. So the value is very straight. Substitute 3 divided by 30. It's root of 30. So the answer is 0.55. So we'll see one more question. The sample size is, this is question A and this is question B. Sample size is 30 and the standard deviation is 0.13. So calculate mean standard error. So 0.13 divided by root of 30. So the value is 0.02. So let us solve one more question to calculate the standard error. Calculate standard error. The samples are 5, 10, 12, 15 and 20. So first let us calculate the mean. The mean of this data sample is 5 plus 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 20 divided by 5. So the answer is 10.5. So the standard deviation is nothing but 5 minus 10.5 the whole square plus 10 minus 10.5 the whole square plus 12 minus 10.5 the whole square plus 15 minus 10.5 the whole square plus 20 minus 10.5 the whole square. Everything divided by 5 and take the, this is what, how you calculate the variance, and standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance. So we get the answer is 5.35. So we'll calculate the standard error. The standard error is nothing but the standard deviation divided by root of the samples. So it is 2.39. The standard error is 2.39. So let's take one more practice question. It's the data set is 6, 6, 8, 8, 3 and 8. So the answer for reference is given. The standard error output is 0.81. So the next one we'll discuss is the standard score. How to calculate the standard score. So the formula to calculate the standard score is Z. It is otherwise known as Z score. X minus mu divided by sigma. So let's take for a sample X1100 and the mean is 1026 and the standard deviation is 209. Calculate the Z score is the question. So Z is equal to 1100 minus 1026 divided by 209. So the Z score for this is 0.354. So similarly, you can also calculate the Z score for the below practice questions. So A is X is equal to 74, mu is equal to 72 and sigma equal to 2. B is X is equal to 66, mu is equal to 68 and sigma is equal to 5.5. Similarly, C, mu equal to 74, X equal to 70 and sigma equal to 4.